Want to take full control of your WhatsApp group? Let me show you how to easily add or remove members and keep your group just the way you like it. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add and remove members in WhatsApp group. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and make sure that you're logged in. Next, navigate to the group where you want to add members. Tap on the group chat to open it. Tap on the group name at the top to access the group info page. This is where you'll manage all group settings. Here, tap on the add option. Now you can search for contacts you want to add from your list or invite people using your group invite link. Once you've selected the contacts, tap on the check mark to confirm. They'll instantly become part of the group. Now, in order to remove members, just like before, tap on the group name at the top to open the group info page. Scroll down to the list of group participants and find the member you want to remove. Tap and hold on the participant's name. Then select Remove from the options. Confirm your decision and they'll be removed from the group. And there you have it. You now know how to add and remove members in a WhatsApp group like a pro. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and drop a comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated for our new videos.